Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. The word we're exploring is applaud, a C1 level verb that means to clap hands to show approval. It's such a lively and positive word, so let's dive right in and see how it's used. When we talk about applaud, we usually think of clapping hands in appreciation after a performance, like at a concert, a play, or a speech. But it can also mean to express approval in a broader sense, like praising someone's efforts or achievements. For example, you could say, "I applaud your hard work on this project." Let's look at some synonyms. Words like cheer, commend, and praise have similar meanings. For instance, the audience cheered loudly after the incredible performance, or we commend her for her dedication to the cause. Each of these words carries the idea of expressing approval, though some are more formal than others. On the flip side, let's think about antonyms. Words like criticize, disapprove, and condemn show the opposite meaning. For example, he was criticized for his lack of preparation, or the committee disapproved of the proposed changes. These words express negative feedback instead of approval. Now, let's bring applaud into everyday life. You might use it when describing a moment of appreciation at work. Everyone applauded the manager's innovative idea during the meeting. Or maybe in a more casual setting, "I have to applaud you for organizing such a fun party." It's a great word to use when showing gratitude or admiration. Here are a few sentences to help you get even more familiar with the word. The audience rose to their feet to applaud the talented singer. We should always applaud efforts to help the community. The coach applauded the team's hard work and dedication. That's it for today's word. Let's recap. Applaud is a verb that means to clap hands to show approval, but it can also express general praise. We explored synonyms like cheer and commend and antonyms like criticize and disapprove. Try using applaud in your own conversations to make your language more dynamic and expressive. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and I'd love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using applaud and share it in the comments? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word. Keep learning and keep shining.